Upcera zirconia research, development, and manufacturing base is humanized, intellectual, informative, and aims at being the best intellectual demonstrating base for dental material in China. The Forming Workshop adopts a series of new measures from our soul and independent development and research and extended setup to improve productivity drastically. The daily production of zirconia reaches 10,000 pieces, which ranks top 3 in the world, leading the industry to move forward. The raw material, nano powder used to produce zirconia, is supplied by our mother company, Upcera. The powder has excellent fluidity and stable product performance. The high-standard intellectual centering workshop with impeccable standard has been equipped with a centering kiln with a management platform to collect, monitor the real-time data in the process of centering around the clock to ensure perfect procedure. Data storage, analysis, and full information close to circuit management help achieve zero-mistake performance operations. Processing workshop manufactures over 15 product types with 105 different specifications, 145 colors, providing tens of thousands of products, fulfilling the demand of different countries and equipment and serving customers across the globe. This is the first time an automated mechanical arm has been introduced into the industry, which allows meticulous control and promotes production efficiency. Performance inspections are strictly implemented with scrupulous inspection on accuracy, strength, and light transmittance to ensure consistent and reliable product quality. Adaptive packaging production line. Products are manufactured according to the customization demand of customers. Upcera all-ceramic products such as Explore, HT, ST, TT, etc. were born. Technological innovation is the inexhaustible driving force for the sustainable development of Upcera. After years of hard work, Upcera's professional R&D team has established a linkage mechanism of R&D layout, patent layout, and standard layout. Upcera also participated in the drafting of the National Dental Ceramic Material Standard. Upcera has obtained over 100 of awards and certifications of medical device products from 11 countries and regions such as NMPA, China, FDA, USA, CE, EU, MFDS, Korea, Health Canada, Canada, JPAL, Japan. ISO Environment Management, Quality Management, and Occupational Health Management System has also been certified. With the spirit of pioneers to stand tall and strong to leading the industry innovation. The research and development of zirconia manufacturing base have applied delicate craftsmanship, innovative crafting procedures, strict quality control to set up a novel standard in the industry, realizing the transformation from manufacturing to China's intellectual production and accelerating the rapid development of the industry.